tell you that. Alright, so listen. I got wild cats in my house. How about y'all get out my house? Kitty cat. Oh. Alright, JavaScript. Tired. Let's get it, boy. Let's get it. Alright. Let's get a lesson in, boy. So JavaScript. How long? It says it's gonna be 60 minutes. I bet it's gonna be 2 hours. Let's see. Let's get the machine started while I'm reading this. Okay. JavaScript. JavaScript is a popular. Let's make sure. Oh yeah, my phone is working. I bet. Oh, I'm not too close to my face. So, I don't know if, even though it's like right here, it's not really my. I feel like it's in my face. I don't know. So JavaScript is a popular script language that allows web developers to add interactive features to websites. It's a popular scripting language. JavaScript is a scripting language that allows web developers to add interactive features to websites containing HTML and CSS styling. Once the HTML elements are created, you can add interactiveness like validation, on-click actions, animations, etc. What are on-click actions? So with JavaScript, okay. Learning the language is equally as important as that of HTML and CSS. Web JavaScript essentials, SQL fundamentals, a lot of learning. This room is designed as an introductory overview of JavaScript, specifically tailored for beginners with limited JavaScript experience. The primary focus on teaching the fundamentals of JavaScript from a cyber perspective and how hackers use these legitimate functionalities to achieve malicious results. You can start the virtual machine by clicking Start Machine, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Note all the scripts we create in this room. All the scripts we create in this room are available in an extra size folder on the desktop of the attached VM. Download. tad bit slow. The answer is correct. Okay, cool. It's a tad bit slow. Fuck. What is your age? 30, nigga. There's no internet activity. How does it know that? There's no internet activity. So variables are containers that allow you to store data values in them. Like any other language, variables in JavaScript are similar to containers that store data. When you store something in a bucket, you also need to label it so that it can be referenced. Coffee. Hey, from live cool content. Enjoy the one. Where, oh yeah, I remember. Oh yeah, y'all with the guys with the coffee. I remember that. What's up, man? I appreciate it. Yeah, I've been trying to learn how to hack, and man, there's a lot of stuff to learn. I'm trying to learn, man. All right. So when you store something in a bucket, you also need to label it so that it can be referenced later on easily. So similarly, JavaScript, each variable has a name when we store a certain value. God, this is some boring shit. Fuck, it's really boring. But gotta learn this stuff to fucking in order to do attacks on shit. I don't know. Web hacking is kind of like highly illegal. I don't know why I really want to learn this. You know, like it's not like I can ethically hack someone's website. I mean, I gotta really have permission to do that, but I guess it's good to know. So in JavaScript, each variable has a name. When we store a certain value in a variable, we assign a name to reference it later. There are three ways to declare variables in JavaScript. We got var and let. Var is variable. Let? Var let. And const, well, var, what the fuck does any of that mean? It's function scoped, both let and const. Wait a sec, where's my cat? The cat cam's not even on, dude. What are you doing, baby? Huh? What are you doing? You trying to go outside again? You can go outside tomorrow. You wanna go outside again for real? Huh? You wanna chill or do you wanna go outside? Let's see. Oh, you wanna go outside? Come on, baby, come on. Usually I'm chilling. But she ain't chilling right now. Oh, okay. Yeah, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate that. Y'all checking out my videos, man. It's pretty cool. Well, var is function scope, both let and const or block scope. What the fuck does any of that mean? Offering better control over variable visibility within specific code blocks. Data types. In JavaScript, data types define the type of a value a variable can hold. Examples include string, number, and boolean. I remember that in programming. Number and boolean. How do you even fucking pronounce that? I gotta know how to pronounce that. Pronounce Boolean. Oop, no, I don't want to practice it saying it. I just want to hear it.
Boolean.
Boolean. That's what I thought. Boolean. No. Undefined object. For more complex data like arrays or objects. Man, I don't know what the fuck any of this means. Function. A function represents a block of code designed to perform a specific task. Inside a function, you group code that needs to perform similar tasks. For example, you are developing a web application in which you need to print students' results on a web page. The ideal case would be to create a function, print result, roll num. That's what it looks like. What the fuck is that? That's not what I was seeing. It was talking about this one right here. Yeah, see. I didn't realize JavaScript was like a programming language, a scripting language. Let x equal 5, let y equals 10, result. Let result x plus y. Huh? Result is... What is let supposed to mean again? What is let? What does let mean in JavaScript? Like, it's weird how Google just knows instantly. Let is a keyword used to declare variables with a block scope. Block scope. Unlike variables declared with var, which have function let x equals 10 if let x equals 20. That's the difference. Let is the only accessible block they are defined, and this includes loops if statements under code blocks enclosed with curly brackets. If true, reassignment variables declared with let can be reassigned new variables, new values. A temporal dead zone accessing the man. I'm not trying to learn programming and coding and shit. What the fuck? Fuck, man. Really not trying to learn coding. Oh, damn, it's my cat trying to get back in now. Whatever. Crashing the work. In JavaScript, data types define the type of variable, a string, number, boolean. A function represents a block of code. Designed to perform a specific task. Inside a function, you group code that needs to perform a similar task. For example, you are developing a web application in which you need to print students' results on a web page. The ideal case would be to create a function, print result, roll number that would accept the roll number of the user as an argument. Script function, print result, roll number, username with roll number plus roll num has passed exam. Any other logic to display the result. Why is it not popping up on chat? That's what I'm trying to figure out. That should be popping up. Yeah, okay. I was about to say that should be working. So instead of writing the same print code for all the students, we use a simple function to print the result. Loops. Loops allow you to run a code block multiple times, as long as a condition is true. Common loops in JavaScript are for, while, and do while. For example, if we want to print the results of 100 students, we can call the print result roll num function 100 times by writing it 100 times, or we can create a loop that will be iterated through 1 to 100, and we will call it the print result roll num function as shown below. Function to print student results. Function print result roll num. Username and roll num. That's PAX exam. Print result roll num. This would be called 100 times. So those, but these are just usually notes. That's not really what different did they do? What's different? For and do while, for. It's the exact fucking same thing. What's different other than they wrote a note? Okay, I don't know. I'm not thinking too hard. I really don't want to learn any type of programming language. In web development, the request response cycle is when a user's browser, the client, sends a request to a web server. And the server responds with request information. This could be web page, data, or other resources. We learn about this here. Do I really want to learn about it? How websites work.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video here on TryHackMe.
Okay, we'll watch it.
John, and today we're going to take a look at the room, how websites work. To exploit a website, you first need to know how they are created. Let's go ahead and dive into task 1, how websites work. By the end of this room, you'll know how some websites are created, and we'll be introduced to some basic security issues. When you visit a website, your browser, like Safari or Google Chrome or Firefox,
What term allows you to run a code block? Loops. What's a loop?
Firefox, taking poison there, makes a request to a web server asking for information about the page you're visiting.
Huh. Websites are primarily created using HTML to build websites and find structure. CSS to make websites look pretty by adding style and options. And JavaScript implement complex features on pages using interactivity. Hypertext markup language. HTML is the language websites are written in. Elements, also known as tags. I learned HTML from MySpace. I remember MySpace days. I fucks with cats, dog. Kitty cat website. Okay. Hypertext markup language is the blah blah blah. Also known as tags are the building blocks of HTML pages and tells the browser how to display content. The code snippet below shows a simple HTML document, the structure of which is the same for every website. It's kind of like a sidetrack, but I kind of want to do this. I kind of want to know how websites work. Jesus Christ, this is 25 minutes. For every website. Is every website made with HTML? So no matter what, everything is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Huh. That's pretty cool. The HTML structure as shown in the screenshot has the following components. The dot type defines the page is an HTML5 document. This document helps with standardization across different browsers and tells the browser to use HTML5 to interpret the page. The HTML element is the root element of the HTML page. All other elements come after this element. The head element contains information about the page, such as the page title. The body element defines the HTML document's body. Only content inside the body is shown in the browser. Let's go to a website. USA Today or some shit. I don't fucking know. Views page source. Jesus Christ. What the fuck is this? Fuck, man. I don't know what the fuck is this. Jesus Christ, I don't even know what the fuck this even is. This is like HTML and it mixed with CSS and JavaScript. It's like all of it. Okay. Fuck, that really confused me. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. Fucking cat's dog. That's what I do. Like and subscribe. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I almost fucked all that up. Okay, I'm gonna quit fucking with it. Like and subscribe, that's what I do. Like. There are many other element tags. There are many other elements, tags used for different purposes. For example, there are tags for buttons, button, images, and lists and much more. Tags can contain attributes such as the class attribute, which can be used to style an element. E.g., for example, make the tag a different color. Class equals bold text. Or the source attribute, which is used on images to specify the location of the image. Image source, image / cat. An element can have multiple attributes, each of its own unique purpose. For example, attribute value 1, attribute 2 equals value 2. Elements can also have an ID attribute. ID equals. Wait. Elements can also have an ID attribute, which is unique to the element. Unlike the class attribute, where multiple elements can use the same class, an element must have different IDs to identify them uniquely. Element IDs are used for styling and used to identify it by JavaScript. You can view the HTML of any website by clicking View Page Source. On the right side, you should see a box. If you enter some HTML into the box and click the, I know what you can do. I've done this before. Okay, I can't remember if it was before or after. Center, and then I think it's center slash. Yeah, okay. That centers there. I centered it wrong. How to center text. And how does it know the fucking center? That's what. Oh, so that CSS. Oh, so I'm using CSS with HTML because I always remember, because when I did MySpace, I always did the tag of center, and then the other tag center slash. But I guess that's actually using CSS to center it. What? Fuck, I didn't even know that, dude. So wait, so the tags I always thought was HTML is actually CSS. Oh no, okay, no, that is an HTML tag. Okay, that's what I'm about to say. It's saying that's an outdated tag. So the center. Well, here, let me get. That's what I always remembered. I don't know. I'm gonna quit fucking with it. Anyways. And we're running your HTML on the page orders. You see the images of some cats. Yes. One's a dead image. Is it supposed to be dead? Static Labs. It's dead. That one's dead. I don't know if it's supposed to be dead. Oh look, one of the images on the cat. I was like, fix it. Okay. Okay. I was wondering about that. I was like, don't look right. Well, I think I fixed it. Yay. Oh, HTML hero. Fixed it. Add a dog image to the page by adding another image tag on line 11. The dog image is image dash dog 1. Well, here, I'm going to add another. Here. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, that's what I'm going to add a whole nother image. I'm not going to remove one. Where's the location? Dog. -1.png. That should be it. Ooh, that's so cute. All right, so dog HTML. I kind of got sidetracked. I was doing this lesson about JavaScript, but then it was like, hey, well, if you want to learn how websites work, click here. I feel like if I'm gonna hack websites, I probably should get a better understanding of how websites work, I guess, JavaScript. Okay. Alright, so JavaScript is one of the most popular coding languages in the world. I was learning Python about it. I guess JavaScript is pretty popular. And it's one of the lowest paying for languages I heard. I think what is the lowest paying in programming language? I bet it's gonna say JavaScript. Visual Basic? Fuck it, I thought you used Visual Basic. From Dart? I didn't even heard of the lowest. What is Dart? Programming language. Is it like really easy or something? Okay, what's a Dart? Alright, Dart salary. Programmer salary. I don't want to see that. Damn, that's no way. Cause we got Python and we got they do JavaScript and Python at my job I work at internet service provider. They only make like $80K a year programming and shit. Let's see. It tells you how much they pay right on the website. Where's the careers? Under view all jobs. They were not making shit. IT. Where's IT? Boom. Computer programmer. PHP, SQL, and JavaScript. So yeah, they're JavaScript. Where was it? They were showing how much they were paying. It wasn't. Oh fuck. I don't know my password. Hang on. I don't even. That's not even my damn login. Let's do a quick verification. Fuck, I know. I don't even use LinkedIn, man. Oh well. I don't remember what it was. Socket programmer salary. I'm pretty sure it was on some website. Socket program. That's not in the same socket job. I found it somewhere, but it was like it was like 60,000 a year or something. It wasn't shit. You know, and that's a pain in the ass. Oops. Oh, it's LinkedIn finally sent me an email. One of the most popular code languages in the world, and allows pages to become interactive. HTML is used to create the website structure and content, while JavaScript is used to control the functionality of web pages. Without JavaScript, a page would not have interactive elements and would always be static. JavaScript can dynamically update the page in real time, giving functionality to change the style of a button and when a particular event on the page occurs, such as when a user clicks a button, or to display moving animations. That's pretty cool. JavaScript is added within the page source and can be either loaded within script tags and can be included remotely with the source attribute script. Again, let's go to here. Test view page source script. So these are JavaScript tags within. That's why I was wondering. I was looking at the page source, and it looks like that's HTML with CSS and JavaScript, which is wild. That's fucking wild. Absolutely. Script. The following JavaScript code finds the HTML element on the page of the ID of demo and changes the element's contents to hack the planet. Hack the planet. HTML elements can also have events such as onClick or onHover that execute JavaScript when the event occurs. The following code changes the text of the element within the demo ID of the button clicked. Button, onClick document, button click me. OnClick events can also be defined inside the JavaScript script tags and not on elements directly. Click the view site button on this task on the right hand side and add JavaScript script that changes the element's content to hack the planet. I don't know. Would it be that then? No. It's kind of a lot for me to do, and I don't know anything about JavaScript. Oh, cool! I did it. Okay. JSysFun. Okay. Add the button HTML from this task that changes the text. The button clicked on the editor on the right. Update the code by clicking. Okay. How come that one won't give me? Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. I don't know. Between line 7. Button click. Okay, boom. That's cool. So it has. Why does it have to be in between there? I don't get that. I don't know. Sensitive data exposure. Sensitive data exposure occurs when a website doesn't properly protect or remove sensitive clear text information to the end user, usually found in the site's front-end source code. We now know that websites are built using many HTML tags, all of which we can simply see by viewing the page source. A website developer may have forgotten to remove login credentials, hidden links to private parts of the website, or other sensitive data shown in HTML or JavaScript. Sensitive information can be potentially leveraged to further an attacker's access within different parts of a web application. For example, there could be HTML comments with temporary login credentials, and if you viewed the page's source code and found this, you could use these credentials to log in elsewhere on the application, or worse, use to access other backend components of the site. Whenever you're accessing a web application for security issues, one of the first things you should do is to review the page source code to see if you can find any exposed login credentials or hidden links. Make website, input type text, name, username, type, input type, password equals password. Okay, use page source. Username. It's got my shit on there. It's got my username. Well, that's right. It's got my. Well, it's leaking my shit. Look at that. You know, it's like on this link. What is the password? Okay, I'm gonna say, well, it's leaking my shit. View page source. Username. Admin test password. Look at that. Okay. Username admin password test password. What was the password again? I want to try it. Test password test. Yay, I did it. Okay. Oops, wrong one. Fucking typed it in the wrong. Test password. Boom. HTML injection.
Unclick. JS is.
Okay, so HTML injection is a vulnerability that occurs when an unfiltered user input is displayed on the page. If a website fails to sanitize user input, filter any malicious text that a user inputs into a website, and that input is used on the page, an attacker can inject HTML code into a vulnerable website. Input sanitation. I wonder if people do that to Google. Huh. Input, and that input is used on the page, and an attacker can inject HTML code onto a vulnerable website. Yeah, that's like SQL injection and shit. Okay, let's see. Let's see. What is my name? Larry. What are some? I used to remember some SQL. This is talking about HTML injection. Okay, let me keep reading. I guess I have no idea how to do an HTML injection. I always wonder if Google ever gets attacked, because they got, they can just, you can just. I'm sure they got it sanitized pretty well, but I wonder if they still get attacked daily from people trying to do injection attacks on Google. Oh, let's Google it. Does Google ever get injection attacks? It can still be susceptible. I can't even say that fucking word. Susceptible to injection attacks, particularly in complex systems like their AI-powered tools like Gemini. Oh yeah, I bet. Yeah, anything where attackers can potentially manipulate outputs through prompt injection vulnerabilities. Although Google actively works to mitigate these risks with ongoing security updates and monitoring systems. I didn't even think about that. And that's smart. Google told me that. Google just gave me information on how to attack their own shit from Gemini. I forgot about Gemini. Where is Google Gemini? I've never fucked with it. Huh. I never use it. Oh great, they probably won't. Is it like ChatGPT? You can only do it like a couple times, and then it wants you to fucking pay for it. Input sanitation is very important to keeping a website secure, as information a user inputs into a website is often used in other front end and back end functionality. A vulnerability you'll explore in another lab is database injection, where you can manipulate a database lookup query, lookup query to log in as another user controlling the input that's directly used in the query. But for now, let's focus on HTML injection, which is client side. Yeah, because you can open the page source and fuck with it yourself. Read that right? Let's go to USA Today. If I remember correctly, if you just see view page source, black box. Let's find black box. But yeah, right here I can just edit that. I gotta do it developer mode. Inspect. Huh. Something's telling me that. I want to see that. Yeah, I want to fuck with that. That's what I want to fuck with. Filter. I'm just trying to find that text. Why is it so? It's so hard to just find that text. There's a plane crash? What plane crash is it? Alright, anyways, back. It always takes me forever to do anything. I'm always sidetracking. Why did my work? Oh my god, my kitty cat. Toothless, come on, baby. Toothless. 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 Toothless, come on, baby. Toothless. Come on, baby, where you at? Toothless. I hate what she does. She's gonna be all dirty and muddy when she comes back now. Fuck. Whatever. Kitty cat. When a user has control of how their input is displayed, they can submit HTML or JavaScript code and use it, and we'll use it on the page, allowing the user to control the page appearance and functionality. how a form outputs text. Okay. This image above it shows how a form outputs text to the page. Yeah, because I was messing with that with my own shit. Let's try to inspect. I can edit any of this, and it will, like, I want to. Wait, I want to see this. I want to get that text, and I want to change that fucking text. And it's not footer. It'll be, where's header? Where's body? There's the end of body. That's the body. Okay. Footer, lazy P. What the fuck's lazy P? I'm trying to get right there. I want to change the text of that. Why is this website so difficult? Where would that be at? That's not a header. Global navigation. I'm just trying to change it. Fuck, I just want to fucking change something and I can't find the fucking text. It's so hard to find. That's the body, that's the body. Footer, everything. I'm trying to change that, motherfucker. Body. You know, I don't even know. I don't even know how to do it. Like, I used to do it all the time. Now I can't do it. I'll change it. Delete. Yeah, see? Oh, that's what I was trying to do, is edit it. Okay, whatever. Alright. Image above shows how a form outputs text to the page. Whenever user inputs user inputs into what's your name field is passed to a JavaScript function in the output to the page, which means if the user adds their own HTML or JavaScript in the field, it's used in the say hi function and is added to the page. This means you can add your own HTML, such as header 1 tag, and it will output your input as pure HTML. The general rule is to never trust user input to prevent malicious input. The website developer should sanitize everything the user enters before using it into the JavaScript function. In this case, the developer could remove any HTML tags. View the website on this task and inject HTML so malicious link to hackers. Okay. Well, what's the hint say? Google how to create HTML link and use it as input to the what's your name field. How to create HTML link. How to create a HTML link. Oh, that's pretty simple. Oh, that's pretty simple. Fucking Google did it for me. I can't. I don't want the hyperlink. I don't care for the hyperlink. How do I add that? I can. I don't want a hyperlink, so I can remove that from the hype. I think. Let's see. Hacker.com. I don't remember HTML. Yeah, I did it. Okay, yeah, because I don't think I need the hyperlink. The answer is HTML injection. Oh, okay, I can just copy that. Fuck, there we go. I did it. Yay. That was easy. Cool. Now I know how websites work. Cool. Alright, well, I'm done with that. Now I can go back to the JavaScript lesson. Oh, damn, it said something. What did it say here? I'm gonna go back. Damn it. Oh yeah, I finished the JavaScript. What did it say? It said something. Did it give me an achievement or something? Share my achievement. Oh, cool. Alright, so let's go back to JavaScript. Okay, I already did that. The JavaScript. Oh, well, JavaScript's kind of weird, man. I mean, this is an easy JavaScript thing. I don't remember what is let again? What is let in JavaScript? Then why is every time I just ate like not even an hour ago, why is it every time I'm trying to do something requiring brain activity, I just start getting hungry again? I just fucking ate, man. Like, I can't do this not even an hour, and I'm starving again, dude. I'm tired of always being hungry every time I'm trying to step. But I can go all day and not be hungry. But goddamn, as soon as I'm fucking trying to do something, I just can't stop eating. Whatever. So let is a keyword in JavaScript used to declare variables with block scope. I don't know what any what it fucking means, man. What the fuck does that even mean? Oops. I don't know. In this task, we'll use JavaScript to create our first program. Damn. JavaScript isn't... I don't want to learn programming. JavaScript is an interpreted language, meaning the code is executed directly into the browser without prior compilation. Below is a sample JavaScript code demonstrating key concepts. Where is that at? Hello world? External. Is that it right there? I want to check this over. Can you verify the JavaScript? Huh. Okay, I'm getting sidetracked again. Alright, one lesson at a time. One thing at a time. Below is a sample JavaScript code demonstrating key concepts such as defining a variable, understanding data types, and using control flow statements and writing simple functions. These essential building blocks help create more dynamic and interactive web apps. Don't worry, if it looks a bit new now, we will discuss each of these concepts in detail later on. Hello world, program console log, hello world, variable and data type, let age 25, number type. Those are just statements. Those don't mean nothing. If age is that less than 18, you are no. See, that's what always confused me. The integers, that fucking word I can't say in programming, always confused me, because wouldn't that be less than, because you're eating the smaller age, you know? If greater, so if that doesn't, I just never understand that the alligator's not going towards the bigger number, it's going towards the smaller number. But you are now an adult. Okay, so I guess in programming it's the opposite. The alligator's not hungry for the bigger number, or whatever. So that means less than. If the age is greater than, I guess that's greater than. What is the symbol for greater than? If the first number is greater than the second number, greater than symbol is used. If the first number is less than the second number, then that's what I thought. Fuck, man, I don't know. Yeah, because it's eating a bigger number. You know? I don't fucking know, man. Function, greet name, hello. Name, colon the function. JavaScript is primarily executed on the client side, which makes it easy to inspect and interact with HTML directly within the browser. We'll use the Google Chrome console to run our first JavaScript program, allowing us to write and execute JavaScript code easily without additional tools. Follow these steps to get started. Open Google Chrome, okay. Once Chrome is open, Control Shift I to open the console, or right click the page and click inspect. Okay, inspect. Click on the console tab, okay. This tab allows you to run JavaScript code directly to the browser without installing additional software. Let's create a simple JavaScript program that adds 2 numbers and displays the results. Below is the code. Okay. Oh, that's my. I hear a cat. I think my cat's outside. Let's hear a cat. Cat fucking me out. Okay, well I just copied it. Are you gonna let me paste it? Okay, I guess you have to use hotkeys. Result is 15. That's cool. Will that work on my browser as well? Console. It's fine. I've seen it. It won't let me do it. I don't want to type the motherfucker. It won't let me. You motherfucker. Please type allow pasting. Well, okay, that's cool. So it does work. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Result is 15. That's what I thought, you know. If X is 5 and then Y is 10, that's going to be 15. I'm pretty good at math. In the code above, X and Y are variables holding numbers. X and Y is an expression that adds two numbers together, whereas console.log is a function to print the results to the console. Okay. Copy the above code and paste it into the. I already did that. What is the code output of the value X is changed to 10? Why isn't that? I don't know. It won't let me do anything. Okay, there. 20. The result is 20. Is JavaScript a compiler interpreted? It's interpreted. How I'm about to Google that. Okay. How to pronounce
interpreted.
Why is that so hard for my ass, dude? Okay. I'm about to eat me a banana. Really, you want a banana or something? You want a snack? You want a yogurt? You don't want a snack? Hey, you feed the cat. I know, it's gonna be grab the food bowl and bring it there. Grab the food bowl and then put the cat. Put the food bowl right there. Don't fuck no toys over. Put the food bowl right there. No, set it down right there. Open it and put cat food in. Don't make me touch it. Good job. Come on. Make sure you put it back and wash your hands, okay? Good job. Come on here. You put that back, put that back and wash your hands when you have some candy. You know, I'm so tired of always every time I'm trying to study, dude, I'm fucking starving. I just get hungry. Come on, baby. Come on. Get inside. It's wet. Get your ass inside, baby. Get your ass inside. Come on, cat. I gotta dry you. Come here, baby. I'm giving them a snack. You don't want a snack. You don't want a snack, bud? Then finish these. You know what? Yummy, huh? You want yogurt? Eat that first. Almost. Yeah, finish that and throw it out. I already did. I already did that. How you can eat it, William? You want some milk? Don't touch me. I wash your hands. Finish that yogurt. I'm gonna throw it out. Stop! Stop doing that! Stop. You're fucking gonna do it again? Stop. Finish that, throw it out. And then go wash, and then take it down and wash your hands and your face and blow your nose. And you'll blow your nose. Throw it out. Go wash your hands and face. Go blow your nose. Let's figure this out. Kitty cat, we need to set you up on the cat cam. There's supposed to be cat cam on here. But you got the cat cam on. Come here, baby. No, you get too used to going outside all the time. You know. Put that right there. Oops, man, that's way too dark. There we go. Let's get that cat cam set up, boy. I'm almost done with this lesson. Kitty cat cam. Alright. Kitty cat cam. Kitty cat cam. Boom. Boom. Oh. No, that's the wrong one. Cat camera. Which camera was it? Is it this one? I don't remember which camera this is. Is it this one? Yeah, it's that one. Why didn't you? Did I not plug you in? You're plugged in right here. Oh, it's that one. There you go. Oh, yeah. There you go. Cat cam. Alright, let's go back to this. I can't. Where's my phone? Can you see it? Alright, let's go back. Internal JavaScript. Internal JavaScript refers to embedding JavaScript code directly within an HTML document. Do I have internet access on this VM? No. None whatsoever. No internet access. That's crazy. Yeah, close it. Alright. Internal JavaScript. Internal JavaScript refers to embedding the JavaScript code directly within the HTML document. Open what? Internal.html. Internal HTML. Open with Pluma. Okay, what happens if I open that normally? Okay, open with Pluma. Why happens if you open it with Vim? I always open shit with Vim too. That's just a text editor. Nothing. It looks the same. That's what I was wondering. Oh, it does it in internal? What the fuck is Pluma? Open with Pluma. Oh, I guess that's for programming languages. I don't know. What is Pluma in Linux? I don't know. It's a text editor. Yeah, that's what I thought. I gotta blow my fucking nose, man. Oh, you don't lick your feet, baby. gotta use hot water to wash your hands. Hey, baby. You're so beautiful. You know that. You're so beautiful. You're the most beautiful girl in the world. You know that. Yes, you are. You're the most beautiful girl in the world. You're so beautiful. So sweet. What type of pussy I need? Aww. Alright, I gotta go back to study. Alright, let's see. Alright. Internal JavaScript. Okay, I've read that thing 4 times, I keep forgetting. Internal JavaScript refers to embedding JavaScript code directly within an HTML document. This method is preferable for beginners because it allows them to see how the script interacts with the HTML. I don't think the whole point of that is to edit that and then open it. I think that's the plan they're trying to make me go with. Okay. God, this VM is garbage. It's already crashed. Crashing? Look at that. Look at that. Something don't seem right. Interacts with HTML. The script is inserted between the script tags. Script. Okay, there's that. Yeah, that's that script we did. These tags can be placed inside the head section. Body, hit the head. Head. That's the header. There's the body. Typically used for scripts that need to be loaded before the page content is rendered or inside the body section. Okay. I was gonna say, well, it's not even in the header. The header has nothing. Internal JavaScript. Kool-Aid's cat cam. Do file, save. Don't fuck with it. See what. Aw. Damn it, come on. Inspect. So the header there? Kool-Aid's cat cam, yeah, it is. Header is there. It should be. Okay. Where the script can be utilized to interact with elements as they are loaded on the web page. Example, to create an HTML document with internal JavaScript, right click on the desktop, click create document, empty file, name the file internal.html. Next, right click the internal HTML file and choose open with Pluma to open in the text editor. Internal result. Okay, yeah, they already did that. It's already here. After pasting the code, click File and click Save and save this. In this HTML document, we are using internal JavaScript, meaning the code is placed directly inside the HTML file within the script tag. The script performs a simple task. It adds 2 numbers, X and Y, and then displays the result on the web page. This JavaScript interacts with the HTML by selecting the element P with ID result. P with ID result. JavaScript interacts with my selected ID result. Okay. It says addition of 2 numbers. Addition of 2 numbers. That's what I want. That's what I wanted to change. With Kool-Aid's cat cam. Stupid shit. I always got confused with HTML. It's like how do you put spaces and shit? With Kool-Aid's cat cam, you get result 15. Alright. Probably should quit changing shit. There's probably something they want me to do with that. I can just recopy it if anything. And updating it, content using document get elementary ID result enter HTML. Yeah, that's right there. Result is I remember when I was modding Grand Theft Auto Vice City and shit back in the day. That's how I used to edit the files with like Photoshop, and And that's kind of how I learned a little about my modding. Was just editing this shit with text documents and just adding like it'll say ammunition 30 rounds. I'll put a 9,000 into the result, and when I play the game, it would somehow change it. It really give me load it up with 9,000 rounds of ammo and shit. And then when I was changing the shit with Photoshop pictures, like I'll put like a dick on the character's head, and then somehow I would think I had to compile it or something. But then I played the game and there was a dick on his forehead. You know, it's kind of crazy, and I'm trying to understand how that shit works. Like, you got the images, like in my video games, but then I guess kind of like CSS, it gives it the structure of knowing how to shape that image. Huh. That's pretty cool. That makes sense, and that just hit me. Now it makes sense why modding you can do it with a much smaller team. But I guess the source code's still there, but you still got a bunch of programmers and animators, even with the modding community. But basic modding, I can. Okay, anyways, this internal JavaScript is executed when the browser loads the HTML file. External JavaScript. Now, external JavaScript what's the difference? External JavaScript involves in creating and storing JavaScript code in a separate JavaScript file. And YouTube fucking sending me a bunch of shit. Nothing. Okay, I don't care. Jojo. Alright, so external JavaScript involves creating and storing JavaScript code in a separate file ending with .js file extension. This method helps developers keep the HTML document clean and organized. So what does that look like? Why does it keep telling me that? Can I reinstall it? What? That's not gonna. This method helps keep HTML documents clean and organized. The external JavaScript file can be stored and hosted on the same web server as the HTML document, or stored on an external web server such as the cloud. We will use the same example for external JavaScript, but separate the JavaScript code into a different file. First, create a new file named script.js. It's already there. And save it on the desktop with the following code. It's already done for me. Perfect. Next, create a new file named external.html. And paste the following code there. Open with Pluma. A link. Okay. Link to the external JavaScript file. I wonder what that means by that. Link to the external JavaScript file. Oh, okay. Okay. Here, let me make sure that's the same. English UTF-8. addition of 2 numbers. Yeah, it looks the same. Oh. Save. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I'm getting the idea of it now. This time I was like, what's the difference between internal and external? So external HTML is outsourcing the script from it, but internal is using all of it within the internal. Okay, here's like the 2 different source codes. External. Okay. Where'd the other one go? Oh, I can only open one fucking at a time. Okay, internal HTML. Let's look at the internal, and then here's the external. So there's the difference. Okay. Huh. So it's using the script from an external script. So the internal HTML is using it's all in one. I put it as the same as previous input. What we did differently is use the source attribute in the script tag to load the JavaScript from an external file. That's what I was guessing. When the browser loads the page, it looks for the script JavaScript file and loads its content into the HTML document. Is my cat still there? Oh, baby. Okay. Unless you're still just sitting there. It looks for the script, that JavaScript file, and it loads its content into the HTML document. And I remember years ago when I was first making websites, I was like 12, I'm 30 now. Back when I was like 11, 12, I remember learning about that. I was using like front page and shit. And like on each index or wherever the page, you'll have to have all the files for each web page on that same page, I guess. Because they don't have to, if you had the image you wanted to load, it needs to be able to pull that image from somewhere. And if it's on a different page, it wouldn't do it. I don't know how to explain it, man. Oh, fuck, I haven't fucked with websites in years. Well, like the first thing I was trying to do was learn how HTML and how to make websites. Now I just use WordPress, if anything. Making the code more organized and easier to maintain, especially when working on larger projects. Verifying internal or external JavaScript. When pen testing a web application, it is important to check whether the website uses internal or external JavaScript. This can be easily verified by viewing the page's source code. To do so, open the page external test located in external test HTML and click view page source. View page source. Oh, this is external. This will display the HTML code of the rendered page. Inside the source code, any JavaScript written directly on the page will appear between script tags. Script. Without the source attribute. If you see a script tag with a source attribute, it indicates the page is loading external JavaScript from a separate file. Okay, that's good. You're saying no script. Script source. Huh. Yep. So that's external JavaScript, which I'm sure every website's probably external JavaScript. For a practical example, visit TryHackMe in your browser and expect the source code to identify how the website loads the JavaScript internally. To identify how the website loads the JavaScript internally and from external sources. Internal. Which method is better for reusing JavaScript across multiple web pages? External. What is the name of the external JavaScript file that's being called by external test? It's script. Damn, I just looked at it. THAM external JS. Okay. What attribute links are an external JavaScript file? What attribute links? Source. Ooh, boy. All right. Alright, that's pretty cool. I still can't believe I have a video with 130,000 views of me taking this shit. Isn't that crazy? One of the main objectives of JavaScript is to provide dialog boxes for interaction with users and dynamically update content on web pages. JavaScript provides built-in functions like alert, prompt, and confirm. To facilitate this interaction. These functions allow developers to display messages, gather input, and obtain user confirmation. However, if not implemented securely, attackers may exploit these features to execute attacks like cross-site scripting, and which you would cover later in this module. We'll be using the Google Chrome console in upcoming exercises. Console. The alert function displays a message in the dialog box with OK button, typically used to convey information or warnings to the user. For example, if we want to display hello THM to the user, we would use an alert Hey Larry. That's cool. Oh, I never knew that. Alert. What was it? Alert. Hey, you big dick. You big dick motherfucker. What was it? That's cool. Hey, you big dick motherfucker. Yeah, that's me. That's me. All right. I still need to finish these in command line. I'm doing all this. I might as well get this certificate. The prompt function displays a dialog box that asks for the user for input. It returns the entered value when the user clicks OK, or null if the user clicks cancel. For example, to ask the user for their name, we would use the prompt "What is your name?" I did something. What is your name? How many cats do you have? Hello, two. Okay. Cats equals. How many cats do you have? Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna keep fucking with it. This is JavaScript. That's pretty cool. Alright, yeah. Confirm. Hello, hello, no. Confirm. Wow, that's cool. Alright. A dialog box will appear depending on whether the user clicks OK or cancel. The value true or false will be returned to the console. How hackers exploit the functionality. Imagine receiving an email from a stranger with an attached HTML file. The file looks harmless, but when you open it, it contains JavaScript that disrupts your browsing experience. For example, the following code will show an alert box with the message "hacked" 3 times. Can I add that to it? No. Let's try that. Well, I wanna make that. Create document, empty file. That's so cool. Hacked. Oh damn it! Why did I do that? Now I'm stuck. Fuck. So technically, if I open that, I can make that do it like 100 times, can't I? That's pretty cool. Can I do that? I don't want to do it on my home machine. I kind of want to try it though. New do. Yeah, I don't know how to do it on Windows. That's what I wanted. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's save. Yeah, I might want to send that to people. And you can't ever get out of it. It does 155 times. That's pretty damn cool. I didn't know you could do that. Huh. I wanna do it on my. Can I do it on my PC? What kind of document would I have to make? Name it. How would I make it? A new HTML. I don't even know how I would do that on here. No, it's just so much easier just to do it on Linux. I have no idea how I would do that on Windows. Alright, whatever. It's causing an undesirable experience. Imagine the bad actor sent you a similar file, but instead of displaying the alert 3 times, the number set to 500. You would be forced to keep closing the alert. No, you can just exit out of it. After one, this is an example of how malicious JavaScript can be used to create an inconvenience or worse. Therefore, ensuring you only execute JavaScript from a trusted source. This is crucial to avoid such an undesired experience. He said 3. How many times did the code work? Open with Pluma. 5. I figured it was 5. User for input, that is prompt. What is the value stored in the car name prompt? What is your car name? Tesla. That's, you just told me. This is pretty cool. Bypassing control flow statements. Control flow in JavaScript refers to Control flow in JavaScript refers to an order in which statements and code blocks are executed based on certain conditions. JavaScript provides several control flow structures such as if-else switch statements to make decisions. It loops for a while and do while. I need to check my email here. I haven't got paid nothing yet. Ain't really do much of anything. Such as if-else switch statements to make decisions, and loops like for while and do while to repeat actions. Proper use of control flow ensures that a program can handle various conditions effectively. Conditional statements in action. One of the most used conditional statements is the if-else statements. Which allows you to execute. One of the most used conditional statements is the if-else statements, which allows you to execute different blocks of code depending on whether a condition evaluates to true or false. To test this practically, let's create a file, age.html, and paste the following code. I think that's already there. I want to see how I can do that. I want to see new. There we go, HTML. Where did it save to? Oh, don't expire. Well, that was terrible. This sucks with Word. It does not work with Word. Word document. New. I don't want. Can I do a new HTML? Yeah, just create a fucking link off of it. There we go. I don't know. I don't really care that much to learn how to do that. Fuck, the easiest thing to do is just do it in Linux and then just send it to. Shit. Almost fucked up my damn monitor. .9. Zero point. You were in my head. Okay. 5 times. I think 5 times 5, 25. That's right. 5 times 5. No, 25. 5 times 5 equals 25. I don't know. Okay. Okay, admin. Complex. Yay. That's a weird code. I want to see that code. What the fuck? What'd I do? Huh, that's a pretty cool script. Okay. Suppose a developer has implemented an authentication functionality in JavaScript where only users with the username admin and passwords matching a specific value are allowed to log in. To see this in action, open and log in each files in an exercise folder. When you double click the file and open it in your browser, it will prompt you. God damn, look at that. That's pretty cool. You are a minor. Complex password Exploring minified files. We have understood how JavaScript works and how we can read it until now. But what if the file is not human readable and has been minified? Minified? No.
Minified.
Minification in JavaScript is the process of compressing JavaScript files. By compressing JavaScript files by removing all unnecessary characters such as spaces, line breaks, comments, and even shortening variable names. This helps reduce the file size and improves the loading time of web pages, especially in production. Yeah, that's what fucking a lot of websites like that. Minified files make the code more compact and harder to read for humans, but they still function exactly the same. Similarly,
Obfuscation.
Obfuscation is often used to make JavaScript harder to understand by adding undesired code, renaming variables and functions to meaningless names, and even inserting dummy code. Create a file. Damn it, I don't want that. Close up JavaScript. Function high. How does that do that? Okay. Test that JavaScript. come it's doing it? I'm confused on how it's doing it 5 times. Huh. And then so I go to test. Test. Where the fuck did it go? Oh, that's what I wanted to do. Test that JavaScript. But how is this? Why does it look like that? It's mine. This one don't. What the fuck? I'm getting confused now. Click OK to close the alert dialog box. Right click anywhere on the page. Go to sources tab. Obfuscation. I can't even say it. Now we would try to minify and obfuscate the JavaScript code. Use the online tool. Visit this website. But that doesn't make any sense. I thought the point of it is to make it shorter and faster, not make it unreadable. So is that what I'm seeing? Shit. Oh, okay. So obviously, skate. It's just trying to make it hard, anyways, to read. So this should do the same thing, but it's obfuscated. Why won't it fucking let me paste it? That's weird. It's like encrypted and shit. It does the same exact thing. Huh. It's still readable code, but it's fucking not for humans. Wow, that's crazy. It's all code. No way. So USA Today. I know it's too big. The obfuscator. Yeah. That's crazy. What is the alert message showing after? That's pretty cool. I'm tired, boy. Fuck. Refrain from adding untrusted libraries. As discussed in earlier tasks, JavaScript allow you to include any other JavaScript scripts using the source attribute inside a script tag. Have you considered whether the library we include is from a trusted source? Bad actors have uploaded a bundle of libraries on the internet with names that resemble legitimate ones. So if you blindly include a malicious library, avoid hard-coded secrets. Never hard-code sensitive data like API keys. Private key. TryHackMe. Minify obfuscated JavaScript code. Minifying obfuscating JavaScript code. That's pretty cool. Can we not minify it? Huh. Oh my god, I'm done. I'm tired, boy. I'm going to bed. Alright, guys. I'm going to bed.